You got 10 on.
Yeah, we
play next week though.
We're playing the winner.
Start the that on.
You guys got any Magic in County?
Who's that on?
So what?
I don't think
It's the clock.
Kazes can run with it.
So what?
I don't think Kazes can run with it.
Did y'all win today?
See.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to make sure.
How many championships you have? Oh, 0?
Oh, okay.
You gonna get one?
We're trying to get one this year though.
Who's got the only undefeated team of all time?
Did you contribute?
That had to be like 10 years ago.
He said it had to be 10 years.
You would've took an L to me.
That was before we came in the league, TJ. Oh,
Scared. Oh shit.
travel.
Boy,
He traveled for real though.
you know what? I should have refed. Dang, I should have refereed, man. They need a third ref. I should have ref, man. I forgot less. Oh man.
That's what I said.
We should have double teamed it.
That's what I said, but you was like, no.
I ain't gonna argue nothing. Damn, we should have refereed, man.
We could play skate.
I'm gonna ask Nick to come do the camera so I can ref. I'm cheating.
You get all the numbers? Yeah. All right, so on the line,
Travel.
first half, and then second half.
Take that shit. Give me that shit, nigga. That's what I'm talking about. Punk his ass out every time. I don't like that nigga. Skates kill him.
Second half fouls on the right side.
Get back.
33 right now. You got 3, Jay. Matter of fact, every time the Kazes get a foul, just give it to Les, whether they call it on him or not. I was so shitty, and he saw it too. He's like, "What's wrong?" I'm like, "Man, just take me. I'm about to swing on dude." And I was so pissed.
Glad everybody stepped up, man.
Bobby played very well.
He played very well.
Real good.
Bobby was killing. We had to talk. You know, you gotta keep it. We had to talk.
Who's that on?
We're on the same page, man.
Hey, who is that on?
I'm thirsty. Where's my old lady at, man?
Yup, one on left. I see you, baby. My
lady at, boy. I'm super thirsty.
Hey, y'all, keep it up.
Hey, talk on this pick.
Okay, good. English. And get through there. Get through there.
Playoffs.
3.
Playoffs. That was a playoff foul.
Yeah.
Baby. Oh, she over her home. I'm gonna steal this. Both of them drinks.
Answer.
You ain't see nothing.
She called that nigga by his full name. That shit is so fucking hilarious. Did he hit the first?
With the E on.
I know, right? Hit them both, my bad. Fake ass laugh.
I was down there like a Beavis and Butthead. Shit, I'm tired, man. I'm wore out, man. Y'all just don't know how tired I be, bro.
I still can't believe Chris and them got moved out. So it was getting one. This man moved.
Them niggas crumbled at the end.
Who?
The drama boys straight choked
Chris
at the
be
end.
shitty. He gets so much fucking talent and just loses them. Oh.
They crumbled at the end like a motherfucker.
But you know the thing about it, then none of them niggas come and shake our hands.
Yeah, we wasn't too good.
That wasn't competing. They ain't like us.
I don't fuck with Chris. I'm still not fucking with Chris. I'm gonna deny that nigga friend request.
Oh, and one.
Oh, awesome.
Get up, Skate. Master P. Airball. Airball. Airball.
They don't give us the hand.
I'm a heckler.
Nigga, y'all was over here making false ass calls. It ain't like you can hear us.
Oh, Jack.
Back going. Too late. No, it ain't. Wow.
Give me the ball.
Let's go, Skates.
Bang, bang. Yeah, give me the motherfucking ball, man. Bang, bang. Give me the ball, man.
Good steal.
Double.
Double, though.
Oh! Good D.
That's him in a foul. He pushed him in the back.
That's offensive foul.
Oh, I got you.
Jack. Don't give him that. Good no call. Good D.
Okay, Skates.
Good D. Not like his ass.
Who? Okay, Dominique. Okay. Battling in here.
Get back, Dominique. You jogging.
Taking the Hummer.
That's what happens when you don't get back.
Taking the Hummer.
Did I see you yesterday? Was you at Dick's?
Yeah,
Okay, I thought I was tripping. Huh? Move, Skates.
Okay.
Move out the way.
L1.
Get the fuck out the way, nigga. Get the fuck out the way, number 4.
Hey, who was that on? Left. That nigga stupid.
Hey, that's first dunk stuff. I thought he told me. Back. One ball. Hey.
I know, calm down.
Slow.
Our game was hype, nigga.
Bang, bang.
Back.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
I tried to get loud and swallow my ice. I was like, oh. Hey, no homo.
What number is that?
You said 33?
33.
We got sub. Y'all talk about it.
Damn, Bryce. Damn, Bryce. Back court. Nick, wake up.
Travel. Y'all lucky I ain't. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Oh, the pass. Yeah. Oh. Take your time, Nick. Take your time, boy. Okay. Watch your back, J-Mo. Up. Put him in there. And one. Good call. Good call. You said 22? 23.
You mean number 3?
23 right there.
He said number 3. Foul on number 3.
No,
Foul on number 3.
it's got to be 23. There ain't no 33 out there.
It's 23.
Oh, what you thought you said?
Mean number 3.
He looked back too.
Hey, he looked back. You can't come out on the free throw. He was worried. Yeah. Slingshot. I'm searching a bitch.
I'll let y'all down big time today, boy.
Nah, you play
The
hard.
fucking foul, that shit pissed
I mean,
me
it
off.
took you out the game, bro.
Hey, man!
Hey, man.
Motivation.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Travel. He took off for his group.
He hooked the shit out of him, though.
I hooked the shit out of old boy. Oh, shit.
Hey, point at him next time, because he can't hear you when you talk shit.
What if he like, I heard that bitch? Just keep talking shit, I'm gonna fuck you up.
I'd have got quiet like, damn. I don't even
Everybody
know what to say.
Everybody
Dre.
Riceberg ball.
Here's 30. He was blocked out anyway.
Fuck Les.
Short.
I'm gonna get a t-shirt say fuck Les. Sell this. Wow.
Outlet.
They can't run with him. I thought TJ was bullshit. I didn't know that they ran like that.
I'm getting kind of sleeping.
They don't like that.
Woo! Stacy in kill mode. He in kill mode, man.
Got him!
Ah!
Got him!
J-Mo face.
Ah!
J-Mo did it like he dropped in the fourth quarter.
Yeah!
Ah!
He look like old boy, what's his name? Look like Wes Welker out there against the Giants. Damn, my bad term.
There
You
ain't
mean
no
next season, motherfucker? You mean next season, bitch?
42. 42 right there.
Damn, that Pepsi was good.
Right on.
Hey, you got to hook up on Pepsi?
Nah, them niggas don't give us shit. I don't
That's
drink
some
pop though.
bullshit.
They feel like they pay us too much.
What? They should have a Pepsi store or something in that bitch.
They should.
Or give y'all like a, I don't know, like a coupon or something. Shit, you feel me?
should, though.
Like every year around the holidays or something. You feel me? That's some bullshit.
Another one.
Ah, shit. Time out. Good move.
Now I'm so glad we won because I did not want to end my season like that.
To the drama boys. I know it's gonna be a tough game. Remember I told you?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a tough game. We can pull it off though. Dude was hitting some good shots, man. We played good D on him. He just was making some.
He wasn't doing that shit on me.
You right? He was getting called too.
I know, right?
Oh, J-Mo. Good move. And one. Woohoo! That's that John Wall you was talking about?
Who that on? Who that on?
That's that John Wall you was
Hey,
talking
who was
about?
that on, Nick? Who was that on?
These look.
10. Don't you pause?
Hey man, back in the day it wasn't Paul. That was a good joke back in the day. You gotta take that shot, man. shot.
English.
What are you talking about? He wants y'all to pressure the ball. He translate. Gato, yak. Yak.
Hey man.
Hey man, somebody going for 40 out here. I think our boy had 40.
Ain't he missing?
He may have, but they took that
Get that out of here! Hey, Paul laughing. Paul like, damn, y'all ain't calling out?
Ah! He always get the
Hey, Les, watch out, Les. Les. Hey, Tim.
Okay, J-Mo! Okay.
Blocking my view, man. Sailors.
5. Yeah, I knew it was on him. Because Dominique went straight up. I'm about to say, should be shoot. At least we get to play next week.
It ain't over. We can win this, man. Boy, I feel we can win this. Big shots down there. What? Cashing out there, man. I should have brought my playoffs, man. Everybody bringing their playoffs. I knew it was playoff time. Go get the ball, nigga.
That nigga hot as fuck.
No.
Big Mandy. Oh, I've been over this side.
Okay, he moused it. Yeah, no, he can't shoot. I hope he do that against them. If they win. Dang.
Hey, bang!
This nigga's cooking, boy. Whoa. He on.
We gonna do that shit against us.
Huh? Yo, try, nigga.
Ooh. I hit with the okie doke.
And one. Somebody brought they
Okay, J-Mo!
shit, I missed that. My bad, J-Mo. He gonna be shitty. I know he wanna watch this game.
He killing them.
Oh!
And all the way.
As good as the Rice Birds playing, the niggas still only up 2. I don't know sign language.
I say, are you skipped to my lawn up the court to shoot that shit? Really?
Hey, that ain't no foul. No
Woo! And you're wrong, there wasn't nobody there.
Foul. Good job, TJ. Who is it?
And you're wrong, there wasn't nobody there.
No, I didn't give him the basket. Who's the foul on? 41. We got a sub.
dog got his high school PE shorts on.
That's middle school.
Really though? Really though? Really?
And they above his knees. Oh, I und'd them last night.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That motherfucker's icy too.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, 3 G's.
I got the ones that didn't come in the package too, though.
Are them the package?
The ones with the black tongue.
Follow who? You know he don't know first names.
Last name's too.
I had the other 5 reds.
The red ones.
Yeah, with the black,
That's the one.
black with the black and
Yeah.
red tongue.
Right, that's the ones I was talking about.
I traded them.
I still got my stealths. My blue ones, the blue and gray ones. My fucking my side, like these, this part,
Yeah.
fucking yellow as shit.
Yeah, man,
But I spilled something on them too, so.
Did you clean them with something, bro? Like sometimes the stuff you clean them with is yellow and faster.
Yep. Okay. Okay. They might lose this game.
Still one good shot.
They don't match up well with the rice birds.
They didn't match up well with us.
Huh?
That monkey ass ain't want to show up. You hear me?
So what?
One shot.
Woo! Woo! Ah! Hey, that nigga ugly.
Hey, T. Haley, that was a good guess. That was a good That was a good guess. All right, hold on. All right, y'all ready? Travel.
That's a 2-pointer.
Step up.
You love to go right.
So make him go left.
Yeah, make him go left every time.
I'm glad we stayed because we can scout, man. I wasn't even paying attention.
Huh?
Hey, who was that on? 99. I said I'm glad we stayed because now we can scout.
Yeah.
But Dominique ain't gonna be able to big boy Bryce like that.
Nuh-uh, not at all.
Even though Bryce
Bryce killed his ass last time.
He said what?
Bryce killed him last time.
Yeah.
Bryce had like 30 in the first half on
Yeah,
him.
he did, didn't he?
I'm gonna feed him every time. Go in on
Yeah,
that.
he don't play defense.
Damn, I should have told Bobby to grab me a Gatorade. Sad.
Hand up.
Match up.
I'm glad we put that press on him at the right time.
Hey, we play big.
Yeah, I was like, press.
Get over.
Yeah, it was like, let me get you up before I get this quick foul.
Did you hear me tell Bobby that? Bobby was like, all right. I was like, right
That
on.
shit was funny. He said, let me get you so I get this quick foul.
I hate getting 4 fouls and knocked out now. But I lasted in the game a long ass time after getting 4 fouls. I should have had that first one though, because I raised my hand when I got called for it. But the one that they called me on Kerwin didn't even have a ball when he got to me. See what the 99. Why don't Jay just take off his undershirt instead of rolling up the sleeves?
He said he got bacon up under his armpit.
This is stupid.
Yeah, you got to put the team fouls on.
Oh yeah, my bad. That was one on guess. My bad.
I've called 2 down here, and there's 1 down there.
So it's 2 on.
2 and 1.
2 on guess.
Good play.
Move.
So it's 2 on guess.
2 for. That's up.
Yeah,
I called 2 fouls on Kazes.
Okay, I got it. Tech. That's a team foul on 42. 42, right? Yeah, 42. You got put on this side. It should be 2 on each side. 2 for each team.
Spread out.
Jay need his foot on the line.
Hey, Damo. I don't matter. Just put take one of them from somebody and put it on the second. So that they got 2 fouls on that side. Got it.
Hand up.
Really? Tackle him. This nigga's killing, man. Man.
Kick ball.
And he looked at.
They was about to run around with the game. Come out.
Help him here.
They lose to the Riceburgs in the season. They lose to the Riceburgs in the season.
Who, the Kazes?
Yeah.
Nah. They got blew out.
Sit, Jordan.
Hey, he dared to put that Stevie J look on.
99.
He got beat up.
Second side, yeah.
99. So.
Jenny got beat up. Hey, Lauren. Woo!
Go, check. Oh, come on!
He just wanted the call. I ain't giving him no call. Hey, he gotta have 40. You said, come get me, I'm scared. Oh, man. No hop.
Come on, got a break, come on.
Keep going out of there. 7 right there.
Oh, super.
Get in there. Damn.
Give me that.
Get back! Get back!
Are y'all tired? Call time out then.
Oh!
Go, 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 go!
That's first time ever since States play defense. I mean, West play defense.
AT, the battery low.
The battery low. Hello.
Get back!
Cook. Cook.
That's you all day, J-Mo. ISO.
Oh!
We good. Clock started.
Gotta wait till he touches the ball. This man move. Hand up, hand up.
Good team.
This nigga childish, man. He damn near caught him though.
4. 4.
Nah, it's 4. I'm putting them up there. I'm putting them up there. Nigga, this ain't volleyball. Thinks he Haley over here.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Over the back. 41.
That's how you eat, J-Mo. Eat.
Good pass.
Was it Hoop and B made that pass? Hoop and B. Splitting. Can't leave him open ever though. No bullshit.
Doing it.
Huh? Ooh! Popping in. Double? Blow the whistle then. Nah, I ain't trying to hit it.
Blow the whistle.
I ain't trying to hit it.
Got him.
the whistle they get the kids in the park in case somebody try to run them off.
That's 6, sir. That's 6.
Nigga, that's a dog whistle. Only a dog can hear that. It's a dog whistle.
Foul.
41 again.
41 again?
Yeah, 4.
They already in the bonus.
No, this is a whole nother quarter.
Ugh. That shot was disgusting.
Hey. Right? Hey, it's 22, right? 25. Hey. Is it 22?
22? Right off. Whoa. I was about to say it's great ball because y'all got it at hand.
So I said good thing. I was going to congratulate you. Pull up, Kevin.
All day, J-Mo.
Dang. Hey, good take, J-Mo. Good take.
Oh, he jacked. Call that out. Should have ran over there.
Damn, he cooking, man.
That stove off.
You said what?
Cut that stove off.
Wrong move.
They switching off on you, Skates. Bang him up. Yeah.
Cut that stove off.
Hammy is out. Good call. He was out though.
Come on, J-Mo.
He pushed him back out of bounds. Nigga, take it out. You're not done. It's the only time Nick blew his whistle all game.
They going. Hell, they finna blow them out. I'm finna say, God damn, boy. Woo, made it. Woo! Whoa!
Offense by accident.
We waiting. We waiting, bro. We waiting. We ain't the Kazes. You hear me? You hear me, Brandon? We ain't the Kazes, bro. He can hit that. He can hit that.
Let's go, stay on it.
Show your personnel. You forgot he was behind you? Oh, oh! Has he? I gotta use that. Ooh, hey, that was nice. That was nice.
J-Mo got to get ripped. Watch.
Ooh.
J-Mo.
Oh. 5 seconds. It was a 5 seconds anyway.
5 seconds.
That was the foul. It was the foul on 7 for the Ricebirds. Offensive. We got it.
Oh.
Ready to get called in court.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, okay. Ouch.
Right, nothing. From the left, nothing.
I don't know what he gonna do. Let him go anyway.
Wow. High as fuck. I'm not even touching the brake. I know, right?
Charge?
Hey, that was contact.
That was a charge, man.
Went on the other side. Went on the other side.
Ooh.
Loader!
Y'all gotta hold on for 3.5 minutes.
Told Case he gonna have to score like 50 to beat them.
He on his way.
Ooh! Trying to do highlights and shit. And one.
That sounds like all ball to me. He traveled.
Shit, he smacked his arm. He slapped his arm. That was a foul. Basically though. Basically. Oh, he said he got you. He finna eat that ass up. He finna eat that ass up. And one. Hey, y'all gotta put somebody else on him. He can't get it done either.
But he got me all. He had contact. He had me all body. Yeah, he did. That's the same thing on both ends.
Come on, mate. Man, I'm ready to go. Jeez. Man, my hiney hurts. Sit down over here.
AT is 1-1 every foul. They 7 on both sides.
Yeah.
You said, well, I gave y'all the point. So they have 67? Yeah. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong one, my bad.
He getting it, he getting it, he getting it.
I hit the wrong one, calm down, damn. Hey, you make bad calls, I mess up on time. It evens out. Sit down somewhere.
Is it straight?
Yeah. I was hitting -1, my bad. That's my fault. I fucked up.
I
messed up.
admit I fucked
You
up.
act like you don't make bad calls.
I admit I fucked up.
Some mistakes.
Hey, don't skip like that no more.
He look like he's just so nervous. Oh, the flag!
I know, man.
That's my fault.
3.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. Wow. Oh, yeah. They needed the 3, bro. They needed the 3. I'll be jiggling, man.
Too big
How
to
old
be
are
doing.
you? How old are you? You can't jiggle like no more.
It's not in your contract.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Get that, Dex. I wish I could zoom in. How you zoom in?
Jump ball.
See, somebody go. You got one more in you, T. Everybody attack you, man. Nope. Oh. He damn near got hops, man.
Go, 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 go!
Foul. On the ground. Stop.
Oh, I thought he called a foul. So he, okay, that's why I stopped, my bad. No, the basket does not count. You not a ref. Get the out the way.
Who's that on?
Hey, take him up, man. Tee him up. I should have ref, man. Damn, I should have ref. I'm refing.
Nick, stop shooting.
You a gun, you ain't even in the game. You gunning, you ain't even in the game. Turnover on Nick,
We on.
Terrible.
He didn't even try to stop. He didn't even try to stop. He kept going.
He know he fouled it because he dropped his head afterwards.
That one they call it, he made me so shitty, man. When you clearly tried to
No, I did move. He didn't even touch me.
Like this, moving out his way, he's past you, and you backing up, he still call it on you. I'm like, come on, man. You missed. Foul him, foul him. That's what you want to foul. You don't want to get skates the ball.
Lock out, 1-1.
Jack. Oh. Ooh. Game ain't over. He finna. Oh! Offense! Offense!
Hey,
Yes.
1-1. 1-1.
Offense!
I mean, double bonus. My bad. They ain't a double bonus.
Don't give him that shit.
They ain't a
Man,
double
he would've
bonus,
gave
though.
me that call.
They ain't a double bonus.
Offense!
Yeah, it is.
Hey, Tech! Hey, Nick! Take him up, Nick. Make him give it up. Foul.
6. Double bonus. I
Foul.
won't let you go up no more.
Take the free throw, States!
Get your hands off your hip.
Hey, J-Mo thought you was talking to him. He took his off like.
What they talking about over there? What did he say? Wop. He popped that one.
What the?
You stupid. Hey, man.
41?
Hey, J-Mo
Is that on 41?
J-Mo can't play next game.
He out.
He can't play next game. Sub him out
Hey.
for the next game.
Marcellus, you fouled out. Sub.
You can't play next game.
Why did he do it? A double-handed over the head bounce pass though.
LeBron wouldn't have caught that.
I know.
LeBron wouldn't have caught that one. Boy.
Hey, you threw that like you was angry.
Attention all non-community center guests. The time is now 7:45 and we'll be closing